Hey, you got the Boston Trucker here. Hey, there's this new song on the radio. Man, it's good. I tell you, Alexa Ray Joel, Billy Joel's daughter. Man, she's redoing Just the Way You Are, her father's song. Man, that song, she does an incredible job. You want to check it out? You should look it up, but I got it on the radio here. Hold on. That's James Taylor. Here we go. That's part of it.
To try and please me.
Listen to that. She can sing like an angel.
Never let me down before. No, no. And don't imagine you're too familiar. I don't see you anymore. I would not leave you in times of trouble. We never could have gone this far. No, no, no. I took the good times. I'll take the bad times. I'll take it just the way you don't go trying some new fashion. Don't change the color of your hair. No, no, no. You always had my unspoken passion. Although I might not seem to care. I don't want clever conversation.
Yeah.
I never want to work that hard. No, no, no. I just want someone that I can talk to. I want you just the way you
Man, that girl can sing. Yeah.
I need to know that you will always be the same old someone that I knew. What will it take till you believe in me? The way that I believe in you. I said I love you, and that's forever. And this I promise from the heart. Oh, I could not love you any better. I love you just the way you.
All right, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Check it out. I don't know where you can